Hello dear children. School in Gola Bazar. I am Jana Mirza of your English subject teacher. I hope you all good and healthy at your home. So dear children, I am going to this site and explain a poem for all of you. The name of the poem is A-E-I-O-U. So dear children, you must have heard about creatures. Now you tell me, are you scared from creatures? Okay. You know what are creatures? No. Okay. Creatures are that belong to reptiles, a group of animals, and they are legless creatures. Okay, because they don't have leg, so that is called legless creatures. Okay, now they don't have move on like we people likes to move from one place to another place. Okay, for example, as like you, a snake legless creature. Okay, so dear children, they crawl move one place to another. Okay, they are crawl move one place to another. So now I am going to start reciting the poem and explaining. In this poem is about the A-E-I-O-U. Okay, so I am going to recitate it. Now listen very carefully and each other every word, see and listen how I pronounce correctly. Okay, here is written animals. Usually this is the place name of the poet. So now here is written Jonathan Swift. Okay, Jonathan Swift. This poem has been written by Jonathan Swift. Okay, so dear children, you know very well this poem has been written by Jonathan Swift. Okay, so now dear children, let's we start this poem. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in glasses said, one of us you will find in jet, the other you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. If the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. So dear children, once again read this poem with correct pronunciation. Okay, we are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in glasses said, one of us you will find in Z, the other you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. If the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. So dear children, this poem says that about the creatures. Okay, And the poet explained about this poem creatures. Here is imaginary. The poet here is imaginary that they are very very small creatures. Okay, they are crawling one place to another place. Okay, and they have different voice and features. Okay, different types of voice, sound. Okay, and one of us in class is said. Okay, suppose that I give you example. You know, a sound of snake. A sound of snake are birds. Okay, and so same they have many different types of voice. Okay, and you know very well how many vowels and how many letters in English alphabet, and how many vowels and how many consonants. Okay, so dear children, here is given 5 letters from the English alphabet. Okay, which is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. So dear children, now the next line, one of us in class is said. Now the poet says that about them, one of us in class is said. Okay, and one of us you will find in Z. The poet said want about them, some creatures are safe in the glass. Okay, and one of us you will find in Z. Okay, and the other you may see in tin, and other different types of creatures you may see in tin. Okay, and the fourth box within. Okay, and the fourth box within, some different types of creatures within a box. Okay, that is shape of square. And if the fifth you should pursue, and pursue means you know very well what do you mean by creatures? Huh? Do you know what means creatures? Here, imaginary beings. Okay, means the poet imagine. The poet is imagine about the creatures. Okay. Now, what is spelling of creatures? CREATURES, creatures, and features means hair, looks. Okay, hair, looks. Okay, feature, what is spelling of feature? FEATURES, features. Okay, now what is spelling of pursue? PURSUE, pursue means follow, chase. Okay, pursue means follow, or chess. Okay. Suppose that you can say you chase your brother or sister, your parents, okay, where they are going, then you chase. Now it can never fly from you. Dear children, the poet says that it can never fly from you. Okay, so you will practice this poem at your home again and again. Okay, and that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep watching the video. Okay, and write this poem in your notes book. Thank you.